In this step, you're going to set up Jest to test NextJs pages, and then write a test to verify the functionality of the card page. First, install Jest, React Testing Library, and a fetch library that works on the testing environment. Next, you will define the Jest configuration by creating a file called jest.config.js and add the following boilerplate configuration. In this case, you will require NextJs to integrate with the NextJS application, provide the path to your NextJS app to load the next.configs.js file, and then add any custom Jest config that you need. In this case, the name of the setup file, any kind of module name mappers afterwards, and finally define the JS DOM environment to simulate the DOM on the Node.js environment that Jest runs. Finally, export this create Jest config. Now you will create another file called jest.setup.js that sets up both React Testing Library and this library that we use to replace fetch. To finish setting up testing, add a new command to package.json and call it test. It will simply call Jest and pass the watch all flag. Now that tests are set up, you can write a test to verify the functionality of the card page. Create a folder, call it tests, and add a new test called index.test.tsx. This test will render the card page and verify it displays total items. Once you're finished with the test, you will run it to verify it passes. Notice that the component this test rendered sends an HTTP request to the GraphQL API right after it renders. In the next step, you are going to mock this interaction using a library called MSW.